Hi all. In this video, we will discuss in-text questions 2.2 of the poem Leisure. Question number 1. What does the poet think we need time for in line 5 to 6? Lines 7 to 8. Answer. Lines 5 to 6. We do not have enough time to observe various activities going on in the world of nature. We ignore the beauty and activities of various animals when we pass through the woods. While passing through the woods, we pause to see the squirrels busy in hiding their nuts in the grass. In lines 7 to 8, to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet dancing. We are so engaged in our daily routine work that we can't spend a few moments to stop and gaze at the beauty of nature dancing like a beautiful woman. Question number 2. In the 7th line, the poet spells the word beauty with a capital letter B. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Does it refer to a beautiful girl or to the beauties of nature or to both? Answer. Beauty could refer to both the beauties of nature and a beautiful girl. Question number 3. How do the beauties dance? Think of tall trees, grass, waves, etc. In these lines, the poet looks at nature and imagines her as a girl with dancing feet. The poet has given human qualities to the beauties of nature. When an idea or an object is thought of a person, we call it personification. Poets often make use of it to say more in a few words. Look at the two sentences given below. Destruction of forests harms the earth. Number 2, the Mother Earth cries to see her forests being destroyed. The first sentence is a simple statement of facts. The second sentence personifies the idea. Which one appeals to you more? The second one, isn't it? Here are some more examples of personification. Death, be not proud. The sun is smiling. Beauties of nature dance when the trees sway in the breeze. Waves leap up, bees dance, birds fly. You must also give other examples. Number 4. Can you think of two more examples of personification? The trees stand tall with their heads high. Number 2. Mountains speaking in the sky. See you in the next video with index questions 2.3. Thank you.